In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record electronic drums on FL Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to connect any model of electronic drums that you have to FL Studio. Setting them up is extremely simple as long as you establish a physical connection between the electronic drum kit module and your PC or laptop running FL Studio. So to start, check the physical connection type for your specific model of electronic drum. For this video, I chose to use an Alesis drum, the Nitro Max, and this model uses a USB-B to USB-A connection, but another very common connection type is MIDI. So look at your electronic drums module and establish which connection you need. If you are unsure, check the manual. So, like I mentioned before, this one will receive a USB-B cable, and the other end will go into your PC or laptop's USB-A port. Once this connection has been established, you are good to go. As long as the connection was made with a high-quality cable and it was detected by your PC, the electronic drums should be set up automatically. If you notice that the drivers were not acquired, visit the official website and download the drivers manually. But as long as it was recognized, you will be good to go. If you are using a MIDI connection, then just plug one end of the MIDI cable into the module for your electronic drums and then the other one into your PC. You might have to use a USB adapter, so keep that in mind. But as long as you establish the physical connection, there is no additional steps. You can, like I said, download the drivers if you notice that it isn't working, but when you open FL Studio, you go into the options and you access the MIDI input/output devices, you will be able to see it listed here under output and probably input. So you will be able to select it to control individual aspects and to see if it is working. Every time that you play with your electronic drums, you should see an activity or a status over here at the top, and you will be able to start recording now that it has been connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to record electronic drums on FL Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.